The time has come to push our boundaries further, to get closer to perfection for every fisher, to take a step forward. Because there is no stronger excitement than to create something grand. When we stand over the surface with the fishing line hurrying away and the greatest challenge facing us, we care about only one thing, about the quality of our equipment, which will support us even in the wildest conditions. We set ourselves the task to be the best, to push the boundaries of what's possible, but mainly to never stop discovering and innovating. This is our vision. Are you ready to challenge your fish yourself? Unleash your adventurous spirit? We have pushed our limits in clothing. Now it's up to you. Become an inventor.